Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator account because changing services requires elevated rights. Once you have admin access, press the Windows key, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter to open the Services console. Make sure to locate the entry named Windows Security Service or Security Center. This is the component that manages Windows Defender and security notifications. If you don't see it, scroll carefully. Services are alphabetical. Now that the Services window is open and the target service is visible, move on to the next step. Once the service is selected, right-click it and choose Properties to change how it runs. In the Properties dialog, set Startup Type to Automatic or Automatic, Delayed Start so the service launches on boot, Automatic is immediate, Delayed helps faster boots. Next, check the service status. If it shows stopped, click Start to run it now. Make sure to click Apply and OK to save changes. If the Start button is grayed out, you'll handle that in troubleshooting after finishing these configuration steps. Now confirm success by opening the Windows Security app and ensuring virus protection and firewall status are reporting as active. If the service didn't start, open Event Viewer and inspect Windows logs, right arrow system for error codes and failure messages. These help identify permission or dependency issues. Make sure third-party antivirus isn't blocking Windows security. Temporarily disable it and retry starting the service. Then re-enable or uninstall as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.